guys, I'm RJ with Xprite. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our Squad Series strobe marker lights. So on this particular vehicle, we're going to go ahead and install them through these holes. Like you can see, we already installed one here. You can install them in the grill, on the panels of the vehicle, wherever you choose to. It's a very universal product, but just for the sake of this vehicle, we're just going to install them right here. Alright guys, to wire these up, you have a few different choices. Obviously you have your negative, positive, and with this one, it's going to allow the strobe light just to stay on at all times. With the yellow wire, you're going to be able to choose the pattern of the strobe. So you could either choose the pattern of the strobe and just leave it as that, and then all you'll have to do is just wire up these two. If you want, you could also hook this up to a switch which allows you to change the patterns itself. Or if you want to hook it up just like this with the white and the positive, that'll keep the lights on at all times. So there's very universal and diverse product here. Alright guys, there you have it. They're very easy to install. All you gotta do is hook them up, wire them up to a switch, and place them wherever you want in the vehicle.